What happens if you build your own pistol crossbow from scratch? Today I'm going to show you the one I made myself. I'll walk you through how it's built, what materials I used, and then we'll put it to the test. The crossbow is made entirely out of metal, except for the grip panels, which I craft from oak. For the limbs, I repurposed an old two-man saw. I cut it into strips, stacked 3 layers together, and mounted them onto the frame. The string is a 1.5mm steel cable, fixed to the limbs with a bolt and nuts. The frame is made of strong steel plate. I welded 2 guide rails on top to ensure smooth movement of the arrows. The trigger mechanism, including the latch, is also welded to the frame. If you're interested in how the trigger mechanism was made, I covered the entire process in my previous video. You can find it on the channel. As for the bolts, these are just temporary test versions. I'm planning to upgrade them later and make something stronger. If you have ideas or material suggestions, drop them in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts. And now, it's time to test it. Here's the takeaway. These bolts shoot quite well. They don't penetrate much, but they're fine for practice. Better bolts will improve performance. I'd love to hear your ideas in the comments.